Welcome to Reviewsinside.tv, where we give you the inside scoop on the latest and greatest products. Today, we're looking at the NutriBullet Flip Portable Blender, a compact, cordless solution designed for smoothies on the go. Whether you're heading to the gym, the office, or just out for a walk, this portable blender is built to make blending easier and more convenient, without sacrificing power. But does it live up to its promises? Let's take a closer look. The NutriBullet Flip is a sleek, travel-friendly portable blender with a built-in handle, making it easy to take on any adventure. It's equipped with a stainless steel tumbler that promises to keep your blends cold for up to 24 hours, perfect for those who need their smoothies to stay fresh throughout the day. The blender's motor is an 11.1-volt high-torque motor, providing 50% more battery power than typical portable blenders. That means it's capable of handling a wide range of ingredients, including ice, frozen fruits, and fresh veggies. A fully charged battery gives you enough juice for 14 plus 30-second blending cycles, thanks to the USB-C charging port that ensures fast and efficient recharging. What sets the NutriBullet Flip apart is its ease of use. You don't need to worry about complicated cleaning processes either. Simply add dish soap and water to the blender, hit the blend cycle, and it's clean in no time. Plus, it's designed to meet North American and Canadian electrical standards, which adds an extra layer of reassurance for users. Having put the NutriBullet Flip to the test, I can tell you that the setup and use were straightforward. I charged it fully, then tested it with a mix of frozen fruits, protein powder, and ice cubes, mimicking a typical smoothie recipe. I was genuinely impressed by how well it blended the frozen ingredients. The motor performed much better than expected from a portable blender, handling both ice and frozen fruit with ease. The tumbler kept my smoothie cold throughout the day, which is a nice bonus if you're using it for something like meal prep or long outings. However, while the blender does handle most common ingredients, it does have its limits when it comes to denser or tougher foods, like leafy greens or larger chunks of frozen fruit. But that's to be expected for a product in this category. Now, when it comes to the pros and cons, there's definitely more to like than dislike here. The compact design is ideal for those who are always on the go, and the fact that it's cordless makes it incredibly convenient. The high-torque motor does a solid job of blending a variety of ingredients, and the 24-hour cold retention from the tumbler is a real highlight. On the downside, the flip-top lid could be more secure. While it's designed for easy access, I found that it can occasionally pop open if you're not careful, which is something to keep in mind, especially when carrying it around. Also, while the blender performs well with most ingredients, tougher blends may require more attention or a bit of extra time. In terms of value for money, the NutriBullet Flip is fairly priced for what it offers. When compared to other portable blenders on the market, it stands out for its motor power and extended battery life, both of which are typically features found in higher-end models. However, there are alternatives out there that may offer similar features at a lower price, so it's worth considering what features matter most to you. For example, some other portable blenders might come with larger cups or even more speed settings for a similar price. When comparing the NutriBullet Flip to other options, the biggest selling points are its portability and the 50% more battery power. Some competitors may focus on size or come with extra attachments, but this blender is built to make a smooth, easy experience on the go with minimal fuss. The performance here is definitely above average for portable blenders, especially in this price range. But if you're someone who often blends more than just smoothies, say nut butters or thick purees, there might be alternatives better suited to those tasks. The build quality of the NutriBullet Flip feels solid overall. The stainless steel tumbler adds a premium touch, and the plastic body seems sturdy enough to handle the occasional drop. Given the compact design, it's also quite lightweight and easy to carry, but I'd still recommend being careful with it if you're carrying it in a backpack or bag, where it could be subject to a lot of movement. There's no long-term data yet on this product's longevity, but based on NutriBullet's reputation for making durable, reliable blenders, I'm confident this model should hold up well over time with proper care. As for customer support, I didn't need to reach out during my testing. But NutriBullet has a solid reputation for responsive customer service. They also offer a 1-year limited warranty for peace of mind, which is a standard offering for products in this category. Now to wrap things up, if you're in the market for a portable blender that's powerful, easy to use, and designed with convenience in mind, the NutriBullet Flip is a great option. It's perfect for those who want to blend smoothies or shakes on the go without lugging around a bulky blender. The strong motor, decent battery life, and cold retention tumbler really set it apart from many similar products. Of course, if you're looking for something that can handle more than just smoothies, you might want to consider alternatives with extra power or attachments. But for everyday use, this blender delivers on its promises. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out the link to get your own NutriBullet Flip in the comments below. If you've already used this product, let us know your thoughts and experiences. Drop a comment, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews from Reviewsinside TV. Until next time, stay blended and keep flipping.